Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a reverse dyed spiral shirt. I'm using a 100% cotton black t-shirt that has been washed in the washing machine, and I just pulled it straight out of the washer so it hasn't been soaked in anything. It's just damp with plain water. I have it laid out flat, and I'm beginning the spiral just about even with the bottom of the sleeves. Once I have the shirt spiraled, I'm going to hold the folds in place with some rubber bands. To remove the color from this shirt, I'm going to use a product called White Brite Laundry Whitener. It comes in a powder, and it does have a smell, so I'm going to use it outside. I'm also going to wear a respirator because I don't want to inhale any of this powder. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of the powder down inside of a 3-gallon bucket. Then I'm going to pour some boiling hot water over the top of the powder. I'm not going to add a lot of water because I don't want it to be very deep in the bucket. I'm going to place the shirt down inside of the bucket, and I'm only going to leave it for a couple of minutes. After a couple minutes, I checked it and it looked like it had removed the color, so I took it to the sink, rinsed it in cold water, and I untied it. Then I threw it in the washing machine and washed it with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. Then I soaked it in a soda ash solution for at least 20 to 30 minutes. I wrung it out of my Panda spin dryer so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. Now I'm going to go ahead and retie it so that I can apply the dye. I'm beginning by centering the shirt, and this process is going to go really fast. So if you'll look below this video in the description, there's a link for another video on how to center a shirt. As you can tell, the process that I used to remove the color for the spiral worked pretty well. I did end up with quite a bit of black left, which was what I was wanting. So to dye the shirt, I'm going to dye it in a burst pattern. So I've taken a washable marker and a piece of kite string, and I'm putting the kite string right in the center of where I started the spiral, and I'm going to draw an arc on the shirt. I'm going to fan fold that line, and then I'm going to tie it up with some kite string. I'm going to fan fold the rest of the shirt too and tie it with kite string. I'm going to incline ice dye this shirt, so I have the shirt inside of a piece of vinyl guttering, and for now it's just laying flat on the table. I'm beginning right at the very end, or the part that I fan folded, with Dances with Raisins from Dharma Trading Company. followed by Custom Colors Charcoal, Grateful Dye's Midnight Blue, Black Cherry from Dharma Trading Company, Gunmetal Gray from Custom Colors, and one more section of Midnight Blue from Grateful Dyes. Now I'm going to add on an additional sprinkle of soda ash just to make sure I have plenty in my shirt as all the ice melts and runs through the shirt. Now I'm adding the ice to the top. To incline the shirt, I'm placing one end of the guttering down inside of a tall plastic tub. Then I'm going to add just a little bit more ice to the top to make sure the entire shirt is covered. I'm going to put the shirt aside and I'm going to allow it to process for at least 24 hours after the ice melts. I came back and checked the shirt after this first layer of ice melted, and the dye had come through to the back side, so I just left it alone. After 24 hours, I took the shirt to my sink and began rinsing in cold water. I rinse in cold to rinse out any of the excess soda ash that's left in the shirt. Then I gradually warm the water up to hot to rinse out any of the excess dye that didn't react with the fabric. After rinsing for a while, I went ahead and just added some hot water to my sink, put a little squirt of Blue Dawn dish detergent down into the water, and allowed the shirt to soak. I kept repeating the soaking process until the water was almost clear. Then I took the shirt to the washing machine and I washed it in hot water along with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. After the shirt was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. I really like this one. I like all the darker colors in the shirt. Charcoal and gunmetal gray are a couple of my favorite colors to do ice dyeing with. I think they yield a lot of really interesting color splits. In fact, I really like most of the dark colors to ice dye with. I like the Dances with Raisins right in the middle too. I think that looks really cool. You can see some of the original black lines from the reverse dye. That paired with the burst, I think gives the shirt a very interesting pattern. The reverse dye pattern from the spiral doesn't stand out so much that when you look at it, you immediately know what you're looking at, but it does give a very interesting effect to the shirt. I think it ended up looking really cool. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel by hitting the big red subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.